Vossen forged wheels for a 2019 Acura NSX. Look at the color, guys. Scarlet red. Oh, bro. Look at this, mate. Look. It's for an NSX. Sick.
This is sick, dude. This finish right here? Fire. Fire.
Dude.
Damn.
Brushed scarlet red.
But it's like a brushed matte.
I just f***ing said it was brushed.
No, but it's like, it's not even like, but it's a brush.
Brush.
Sick as. This is sick as. Ah, why didn't you go different color on the beads? That would be cool. This is a Vossen wheel?
Yeah, it's a Vossen wheel.
What?
Vossen forged S21-01 3-piece. Super exclusive. Look at this. So if you follow the vlogs, you have seen the spoke design before in a 1-piece. However, this is a 3-piece, and it's a 3-piece because you have this outer lip, this center black area is the 2nd piece, inner barrel here is the 3rd piece. Let's first talk about the finish because it's insane. For the middle, we have a clean satin black outer lip, and for the inner barrel, we have matte brushed scarlet red. Close up, you can see these brush strokes in the red, and so it's a nice little detail. Great way to sort of subdue or just kind of make a bright color a little bit more subtle by making it matte, but still pop, of course, because it's red. Vossen refinishes the wheel all the way throughout. You don't see this with the tires on it, but they still finish it all the way through. I mean, like, look how good that looks. And then for the hardware, as you can see, we have stainless steel hardware. It's like in this black kind of dark gray color. One of my favorite things about the spoke design are the cutouts around the edges here. Saves weight, adds a lot of details to it, and it makes it look really aggressive, really track oriented. They're not even touching the outer lip. If they are floating, just adds depth to this whole thing.